puppies. Eva. Oh, there's Eva. Go feed your puppies right now. Go. Go feed your puppies.
Oh, damn.
Your dog.
Feed your puppies. Feed them. Let's go. Get in there. Get in there. Good girl.
Mercy?
A Democrat from Maryland.
What is that? Put that down.
What else can you confirm for us as far as changes
Mercy.
that happened over?
Well, those are the changes that I
Drop that.
usual to have a sitting member of the Rules Committee be
Mercy?
interviewed by the Rules Committee. Mr. Radford is, of course, a member of the House Committee on Rules.
Ling Ling.
Judiciary. So we will have the benefit of a witness who has been
Ling Ling, move.
unusual to have a sitting member of the Rules also be interviewed as witnesses.
Ling Ling, move.
And that the decision was made at the highest levels of the House herself.
For the unprecedented nature of
Oh my God. Oh, Ling Ling.
Well, look, this is a process that was never going to be
Ling Ling.
from the, I suspect it will, well, you always
Mercy, stop chewing that.
on rules.
Sadie. Sadie. Sadie, go back in the house. Go. Good girl.
Oh my God. No one prepared you for what you do when this happens. This is not how I want to go out, Grissom.
Stop walking. I know. Hey, don't jump on the window. We'll get in trouble. We can't talk no more then. See you later. Well, hi, beautiful. You waited for me today. You gotta stay down. You gotta follow me. Nice, it's hidden. Oh, yeah. Hi, big guy. How you been? I'll see you tomorrow. What's up on the carpet? There's something underneath there.